Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of Jingiskan. Jingiskan is a traditional dish in Hokkaido, but it is very popular all over Japan. And Jingiskan is written like this. Jingiskan is traditionally cooked in a unique pan, but today I'll use a normal pan. This original sauce is so rich and complex, and the lamb is juicy and delicious. And we can eat much vegetable in this recipe. I hope you enjoy delicious Jingiskan at your home. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll make the sauce, and this is the recipe. First, grate the apple. Apple has natural sweetness and fresh acidity. The apple is an important ingredient in the sauce of Jingiskan. Next, onion. Onion also adds sweetness and it makes the lamb juicy. Ginger and garlic. These ingredients add complex sweetness and flavor to the sauce. Okay, I've grated all ingredients. Then soy sauce, sake, and last honey. This is shichimi togarashi. Shichimi togarashi is Japanese unique spice. It includes 7 types of spice. It gives spiciness and complex aroma. The spicy flavor goes well with the sauce. If you like spicy taste, please add the spice. Okay, the sauce is ready. This is lamb. It's grown in New Zealand. I often buy New Zealand lamb. It is shoulder slices. I add them to the sauce and mix them well. Distribute the sauce to the meat evenly. Okay, soak the meat in the sauce for 30 minutes in the fridge. Meanwhile, cut the vegetables. This is a carrot, which is grown in Hokkaido. Trim off the head and cut it into 4 cm lengths. Then cut it into 1 cm intervals and slice it thinly. Today I didn't peel off the skin. The skin of the carrot is very thin, so sometimes I don't peel off the skin. And it is easy to catch the rectangular shapes of vegetable with chopsticks. Next, onion. It is also grown in Hokkaido. This is hiragana. Trim the stem off and slice it at 1 cm intervals. Push the knife and pull it. Okay, next bell pepper. My grandmother grew the bell peppers in her garden. Cut it into half and remove the seeds. Then cut it into 1 cm intervals. This green color makes the dish colorful. And last, Beansprouts. Beansprouts are often used in Jingiskan. The crunchy texture goes well with lamb. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. 30 minutes later, the lamb is ready for cooking. Turn on the heat, add the vegetable oil, and spread it. Once the pan is heated, add the onion. Start frying it, and add the carrot. Stir fry them to brown and bring out the sweetness. Put a pinch of salt. Stir frying it over high heat for a short time to remain the crunchy texture. Okay, then add the bean sprouts. Stir frying it over high heat as well. Once the bean sprouts are cooked, add the bell pepper. The order of adding the vegetables is important to keep the good texture and the beautiful color. Nice. Remove the vegetables from the pan. Add the vegetable oil to the pan again and spread it. Add the lamb to the pan. Stir frying it over high heat to brown it. The tip is to cook the lamb in a short time to make it juicy. Once the lamb slices are loosened, don't move it to brown it. Cook the lamb for about 4 minutes. The smell is so nice. Lovely. Turn off the heat and remove the lamb from the pan with chopsticks. Then add the remaining sauce. Reheat it and reduce it to make the sauce rich. Once the sauce reduces, return the lamb and vegetables. And distribute the sauce to them. The tip of cooking the ingredients is to prevent the lamb from overcooking and make the vegetables crunchy texture. Okay. Let's arrange it on the plate. Good. Jingiuskan is done. Looks beautiful. The smell is appetizing. Let's eat it. いただきます。Lamb is so juicy and vegetables are nice crunchy texture. The rich sauce goes well with the rice. Spicy taste stimulates my appetite. It's so delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Jingisukan is a traditional dish in Hokkaido. This rich taste goes well with the rice. And Jingiuskan is one of the most popular lamb dish in Japan. And I hope you enjoy delicious Jingiuskan at your home. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.